So we were very lucky with the group we had. We got speaking to each other before we joined the workshop. Been talking to each other for about 2 weeks now, preparing ourselves, getting all the information together. Again, we were lucky because there was a lot of group harmony. We knew what we wanted to do. We had a right direction. And having said that, it went very smoothly. The group worked great together. I think we did a good presentation. We're happy with the end product. It was challenging. It took us a lot of time. We were working late nights for the past few days. But I enjoyed it, and I think it's a great experience.
Day one was fantastic. It's a great experience, and what a nice feeling going back to university after 17 years of working and meeting with people from all over the world. Basically, that's defined how authentic this experience is with the University of Manchester.
I think I was really nervous before coming to the workshop as someone who does not have a finance background. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. I think I'm lucky that my teammates are really supportive. I kind of slowly get into the role and knowing what to do next.
Yeah. Can I ask you a question? One. So, Rashmi, how's day two?
Day two is amazing. We just started, so last day, towards the second half, we started our group project working on it. So day two, already we know that tomorrow we have to work on the presentation. And it's nice, it's very interesting. Now we have a goal in mind. So when I'm sitting through the lecture, I know what I should capture.
Lots of new ideas, new thoughts, different point of views, collaboration between teams coming from different industries, different background, different cultures, different nationalities. So really it's different way of learning comparing to what I get used to. So for me it's a new experience, and not just about learning, it's about linking what we learn, the theory to the practice.
So far day two has been really fun, honestly. I got to meet a lot of people, I got to engage in new activities, new things. It was a really new experience for me, but I'm really having so much fun and benefiting from it. So I got to know about the essentials of business just as an introduction. I got to meet a lot of people, I got to engage in various different activities, and I got to see different alumni, which is very nice for me. I'm really grateful for this experience, honestly, and I can't wait for the rest.
The group dynamic so far has been great. It's very nice to have people in the group with different backgrounds from different industries, so it helps build a full rapture of the whole knowledge that we're learning. And I'm very grateful, as Sarah said, and really excited to complete our project, inshallah.
Yeah, so day three, we've just finished our workshop, our presentation with the group. It went really well. We basically got to bring in all the sort of the themes and the topics that we've had over the last couple of weeks and the first 2 days. And yeah, it's been a really insightful, not just doing our presentation, but listening to the other groups and getting the feedback from the lecturers. It's been really positive.
We were working till late yesterday, preparing for the presentations today. Today we presented it. It was a relief to finish it, but I think it was good. We had good interaction in the class. There were a lot of discussions, questions, answers, research on the research that was done. So I think it was a good day. I'm really enjoying it.
Day three was intense. I think there's been a lot of work going into the presentation. Everyone has done an amazing job, but I think we underestimated how much effort has to be put into the group work and the group dynamics before you even start working on the presentation. So that's a learning for the rest of the year. But I think, yeah, everything is going really well, and yeah, we shall see how the rest of the year goes. But hopefully we learn a lot from this. Yeah.
Well, day 3 is I would say super interesting. We started the day with a bit of connection in the morning, and then we went to the lecture. We've reviewed multiple topics which are very beneficial, and I think right now we're a little bit relieved. It's the final day, and I think it's a good thing. It's a good one.
Workshops are where you build a strong, supportive cohort and experience a challenging mix of experiential learning from academics. Students will participate in group work focusing on real business problems, network, socialize, and make connections that could transform their careers.